Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a precision screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, isopropyl alcohol, microfiber cloth, and a spudger. These tools will help you access and clean the electronic board safely. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad and disconnect all peripherals. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they vary in size and length. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the back panel is removed, gently lift it off using a spudger to avoid damaging the clips. Now, locate the electronic board, which is usually situated in the center of the laptop. Before proceeding, it's a good practice to use the isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to clean any dust or debris from the area. This will ensure a clear workspace and prevent any contaminants from interfering with the repair. Next, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the electronic board. Take your time with this step. Using the spudger can help you pry them loose without causing damage. If you're feeling uncertain about the disconnection process, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, eliminating the hassle of travel and ensuring your laptop is in safe hands. After all cables are disconnected, locate the screws securing the electronic board. Again, use your precision screwdriver to remove these screws, and place them in a separate container for safekeeping. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the board out of its compartment. At this stage, inspect the board for any visible damage such as burnt components or broken connections. If you find any issues, you may need to replace specific components, and we can provide a quote before repair. If you're unfamiliar with component replacement, consider reaching out for professional assistance. If the board appears to be clean and without damage, you can proceed to reassemble it. Start by placing the electronic board back into its compartment, ensuring that all connectors align correctly. Reattach the screws to secure the board in place. Next, reconnect the cables you previously disconnected. Make sure they are firmly attached to avoid any connectivity issues. Before closing the back panel, double-check that all screws and connections are tightened and secure. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, use the precision screwdriver to reinsert the screws, securing the back panel. And there you have it, a successfully repaired Lenovo ThinkPad electronic board. If you encounter any challenges during this process or prefer not to handle this yourself, don't forget that we offer no calls, no travel services for your convenience. You can relax knowing that your laptop is in good hands, and you'll receive a quote before any repair work begins. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.